What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've posted a video, but that is because I broke my wrist. Yes, on my big 50th birthday celebration, I thought it would be smart to go roller skating, and it was fun for about 20 minutes until I fell and broke my wrist. I did have to have surgery. I do have a plate in here. But one of the things that got me thinking about is classes and workouts that I can do with a broken wrist. As I teach yoga and Pilates and bar and other types of fitness, it really had me thinking about ways that I can bring content to people who maybe can't do a full practice for whatever reason. So in today's video, we're going to do a fully seated, no hands or wrist involved yoga practice. This is perfect for beginners. It's a very gentle practice. We're going to focus a little bit more on releasing what we can without using our hands or our wrist really at all. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's get into today's video. Let's start in a comfortable seated position, sitting up nice and tall and bringing your awareness into your breath. Breathing into the belly for a count of 4 and exhaling all the air out for a count of 4. Now we're going to add the arms. As you inhale, raise the arms overhead, and as you exhale, release them by the side, relaxing through the back and neck and shoulders. Take this 2 or 3 times. Now on this inhale, reach overhead, and as you exhale, bring your right hand to the floor, going into a side bend and breathing into that space in the left side of the body. Inhale back up to center and exhale, take it over to the left, breathing into the right side. Now as you inhale overhead, sit up tall, and as you exhale, twist looking over your right shoulder. And then inhale back up through center and exhale, twisting over to the left, looking over that left shoulder. Now inhale over, and we're going to take another side bend to the right, this time coming onto the forearm and making small circles with the opposite arm, and then taking this to the other side. And then we're going to take another spinal twist, this time sitting up a little taller and twisting a little deeper, wringing out that spine as we look over the shoulder. And as we come back to center, we're going to take a couple breaths of our seated cat-cow, relaxing the hands into the lap. Inhale, look up, arching the back, and as you exhale, round the spine. Then we're going to take our cobbler's pose, bringing the soles of the feet together, letting the knees fall out to the sides. Inhale, sit up nice and tall, and exhale, fold over and in between the knees. With each inhale, try to lengthen the spine, and with each exhale, try to fold a little deeper. Let's take that right leg out to the side, tucking the left foot into the inner thigh. Resting the hands on the floor or the shin or grabbing those toes. Side bend over that leg, reaching the other arm overhead, breathing into that side body, and then we're going to switch it over to the other side. Let's transition onto our back, setting up for bridge, bringing the feet flat with the knees bent. Tucking your tail a little bit, feeling that low back press into the mat. And then inhale, peeling up your spine bone by bone and rolling it down bone by bone. Take a couple of bridges, just really focus on articulating the spine up and down, trying to press the hips up without arching into the back too much. Let's go into our reclining pigeon pose, crossing one leg over, making a figure 4, and just using your hand to gently guide that knee out and forward to open up that hip. Hold for a couple breaths on one side and then switch to the other. And then let's go into Supta Baddha Konasana, bringing the soles of the feet together, letting the knees fall out and resting the hands wherever you feel comfortable. Bring your awareness into your breath, and as you inhale, feel the whole body expand with the breath. And as you exhale, allow a little more release through the low back and through the knees to further open your hips. Stay here for a couple of breaths until you feel ready to move into Shavasana. Let's go ahead and move into Shavasana, extending the legs long down the mat, letting your arms rest by your side and relaxing your feet out to the side. Bring your awareness to the top of the head, relaxing through the forehead, around the eyes, relaxing the jaw, and then bringing your awareness into your shoulders, letting them roll in down to the earth, letting the upper back, middle back, and lower back release into the earth, softening through your hips, your knees, and your feet, and just keeping your awareness on your breath as you stay in Shavasana as long as you like. All right, that was it for today's practice. I hope you see that despite what you have going on, there's always a way that you can move your body safely to help release some tension. For me, not only was this practice good at releasing tension in my body due to everything that's been going on with my wrist, but it was a really nice mental and emotional release for me as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please go give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, leave those in the comments below. Also, don't forget to check out my other channels. Those are all linked in the description box below as well. And make sure you go follow me over on social media. Those links are below as well. Until next time, stay well and stay fabulous. Bye.